if luxury had a body, this is what it would look like. Meet the 2026 BMW X7, a flagship SUV that doesn't just haul people, it turns heads. From its bold front end to its futuristic rear, this is the pinnacle of BMW design. Let's dive into the full review. Let's start with the front end, and boy, does BMW go all out. The kidney grille? Big, bold, unapologetic. Framed in gloss black with precise vertical slats, the grille dominates the X7's face, flanked by ultra-slim laser headlights that are now lower than before, giving the SUV a more menacing stance. From the side, the X7's presence is even more dramatic. Check out those sculpted fenders, bold, muscular, and clearly built to make a statement. The proportions are unmistakably BMW. A long bonnet, a high belt line, and a floating roof effect courtesy of blacked-out pillars. With its large multi-spoke alloy wheels, the 2026 X7 carries on its sporty SUV DNA while retaining the executive elegance we've come to expect from a flagship. Now, the rear gets futuristic. Take a moment to admire that full-width LED light bar, which cuts to the clean tailgate with laser-like precision. It's a dramatic signature that lights up with a startup animation that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The sculpted tailgate, bold lower diffuser, and quad exhaust tips embedded in the geometric bumper, BMW is sending a clear message: luxury meets performance. Step inside, and the 2026 X7 goes from aggressive to indulgent. Luxurious materials, quilted leather, and flowing ambient lighting are like an art installation. A curved display dominates the dashboard, a 14.9-inch infotainment screen that merges with a 12.3-inch digital cluster. BMW's iDrive 9 system is smoother than ever, with intuitive voice commands and augmented reality navigation that overlays live directions onto your live camera feed. A crystal shifter, premium Bowers & Wilkins audio, and available second-row executive lounge. Seating all elevate the X7 to a whole new class of comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X7 offers a range of engines, from a 3.0L inline-6 enhanced with 48V mild hybrid technology to the monstrous 4.4L twin-turbo V8 found in the X7 M60i. We're talking 523 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of less than 4.5 seconds. Not bad for a three-row luxury SUV. And don't forget the updated xDrive all-wheel drive system and optional rear-wheel steering. Whether you're conquering mountain roads or cruising down the Autobahn, the X7 delivers agility that belies its size. The 2026 BMW X7 is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a statement of confidence, technology, and performance that keeps rolling. It's for those who want it all and want to look good while they're at it. Will you be holding the keys to this aggressive luxury car, or would you prefer something a little more understated? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another one. Thanks for watching.